Screen sharing. To begin sharing, click the monitor icon at the top of the window. Next, choose your screen. If you have dual monitors, you will be offered the choice of which to share. To share your entire screen, choose the Share button. To present a spreadsheet or other program, simply click on it on your taskbar to bring it up on your shared screen and begin collaborating or demonstrating to your audience. To share a single application, again only supported when hosting on Chrome, choose Application Sharing and then select what you wish to share. If you minimize that application while sharing, your audience will see a message that you have stopped sharing it. Be sure to stop screen sharing or leave that application open for sharing. When finished sharing, click Stop Screen Sharing and the attendee view will be returned to the meeting or webinar screen.